Hi, Rachel. What's that sad face all about?
My mom and dad always make me strap myself in with that yucky old seat belt.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Seat belts are baby stuff.
I can see how proud you are of being so grown up and how much you want to do things like a big person. So, I was thinking maybe you'd like to take an interesting little ride with me,
Liftoff in 2 minutes. All astronauts on board, please.
Gee, I wish I could go too.
Mission Control grants your wish, Rachel. Join the crew.
9, 8, 7.
Do I have to use the seatbelt?
5.
Buckle up, Rachel. You're slowing up the countdown.
2, 1. Liftoff. We have liftoff.
Captain, here come those meteors.
Let's go.
Buckle up your seatbelt on the Earth or out in space. So when you stop suddenly, you won't bump your face. Buckle up your seatbelt and you'll ride feeling snug. If you give your seatbelt a try, seatbelt will give you a hug.
Let's go, Rachel. We're going over to Uncle George's house.
Look at that.
Whatever changed your mind about seatbelts, Rachel?
Oh, I think it was that twisty ride through the meteors. I really needed my seatbelt then. Go. Buckle up your seatbelt when you